This exchange known as MEXC, they do launch cryptocurrencies almost every week, but there's something special about most of these cryptocurrencies that this exchange do launch, and that's the reason why I am recording this video, to show you how you can profit by selling almost 90% of the cryptocurrencies being launched on futures markets on MEXC exchange. Let me show you how. Your MEXC exchange, on the home page, you scroll down and then go to the newest launch token. You're going to see a lot of newest launch tokens. So I'm going to navigate to click on more, and it is going to navigate to this market data. So scroll down, and then under this newest category, you are going to see the newest launch tokens in MEXC, as well as the one that is pending launching. So then if you click on the futures category and then navigate to USDT futures markets, then click here to get the drop down and then navigate to new. You are going to see the list of new listed tokens on MEXC exchange. If I click on this nail, which is recently listed, you are going to see I actually short this nail with some little trade volume, and I am on 1.6 USDT floating profit right now. Okay, so this is example of the one that is just listed right now, and you can see it is dropping at the moment. We are going to dive into the reason why this token is dropping. And if you click the second one right here, when it was launched, this is the daily chart, you can see it was dropping as well. And if you go to another one, you see it was dropping. And this dumping of new listed tokens happens almost all the time whenever MEXC lists any new token. Also, this one is also dumping. You can check others as well. So I'm going to check this one. This one was dumping as well after listing. So you can check a lot of the tokens, they were all dumping immediately after listing in MEXC futures market. So you can take advantage of this new listed token by selling it immediately it is launched. But you don't only have to sell a token whenever it is launched. You have to do some research to find out if this token is going to dump or if it is going to pump whenever it is listed. And how can you do that? Let's take for example the nail that was listed recently. If you want to know which token is about to list anytime on MEXC exchange, you can go to their web interface, and under this new listed token on the home page or new category, you are going to see the list of tokens that are going to be listed in futures market, which is the perpetual, or in spot markets. So let's click on this ARMY USDT for example, and then click on info. From here, you are going to see the information about this token, like for example the official website in which I am going to navigate to. The next thing that you are going to do is to ask AI to do a deep research for you about these Amnis Finance tokens. So what I am going to do is to navigate to my ChatGPT right away, and then copy the website URL of the token that is about to launch and ask ChatGPT to do research about this token. So I'm going to ask my ChatGPT, can you please check if this token issued an airdrop for its community? So send to ChatGPT. While we wait for ChatGPT to do a deep research and let us know if this token offer an airdrop, which is going to confirm if we are going to sell it, because if they do offer an airdrop, there's probability that most of those people that gain the airdrop are going to sell it after launch, because it's free money. So who doesn't want to make profit or to sell off and take his profit whenever it hits the market? And that's the reason why this token normally dumps whenever it is listed in the futures market or in spot markets. If you want a hands-free trading, then Flonix got you covered, because Flonix offer a computer specialized program that automate your trade automatically, just like people on Discord. So if you navigate to the Discord channel, link is going to be in the description. You are going to see a lot of people in the Discord channel in which their trade have been closing using Flonix automated trading bots. So you too can make profits. Check it out, link in the description. And if you feel comfortable using our trading bots, There's a link in the description for you to activate our automated futures trading bot like AlgoB, and there are other trading bots as well. Do well to check it out if you want to make profit, just like this user who made 10 USDT, this user who make 7.9 USDT, this user who make 126 USDT, and this user as well. As the list keeps going on just like that. And now back to our research. You can see from the research our ChatGPT did, it shows that Amis Finance has initiated multiple airdrops campaigns. So this is what we are actually looking for, to short it whenever it is launched. So whenever you've confirmed that this token have offer an airdrop, then whenever it hits the futures market on MEXC, just sell it. That's the way it works. So that's how I was able to come about the experimented one of this nail USDT, because I did a research and found out that they issued an airdrop. So people are probably selling their airdrop token. So I just experimented it with some little volume right now to show you right in this video. There's going to be a link in the description of this video to sign up on MEXC and also join the Discord channel, so I can show you step by step on how to automatically do this. And if in the future MEXC will issue their API for futures trading, then we will definitely implement this into a trading bot that will automatically do the ChatGPT search automatically and then decide if it is going to sell the token or buy it. And for now we are going to be doing this manually. So click on the link to sign up on MEXC and also join our Discord channel so you can join us on our next trade whenever we are trading this token. Until then, see you in the next video.